Okay, so we have learned about font size. Let's learn about the font weight. So let's go to the browser and I want to show you the documentation here. So this is font variant, font weight. Okay, so here it is, like font weight can be normal and it can be bold, as you can see. So we can do that. So what we can do, we can go to here and go to the code editor and let's do font weight for this H1, and I want to have like normal and hit save and go here, and as you can see the boldness of H1 is not there anymore, but the H2 is still bold. If I just go here, by default the font weight will be bold for all of the headings, right? So here the H2 has the font weight where it is, this is it, which is bold. But for the H1, once again, this is font weight is normal and the font weight here is dashed out. So font weight is normal here. But apart from that, we can have the lighter as well, which will make it lighter. We can have the bolder, and we can have some numbers, but these numbers are not supported in all fonts. It is supported for quite a few fonts. Okay, so if I do like font weight of 100, it will be pretty thin, and if I do font weight of 900, it will be pretty bold, like the bolder. And the normal font weight, as you can see here, it is 400, and the bold font weight, it is 700. And these two values most likely every font has, whatever you are working with. There might be some fonts which do not offer the bold like font weight, but yeah, that is it. So if I go to the code editor and I can check to see if I do something like 700 and go to the browser, and now the H1 is bold. Once again I can do it 900, and let's see if that is supported or not. It might not be supported as well, but it is supported. Like the font is a little bit bolder now, right? So once again I want to mention is that the font weight is also inherited from parent to child, because once again we have this span which has the same exact font weight as the H1, so it is getting inherited. All right.